How to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering on Android device. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering on your device. Let's just get started. First thing first, you need to go ahead and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and make sure it's connected to a device. Now if it's not connected, or even if it's connected and you're not hearing anything, you need to stop this and tap on done. From here, you can go over to Bluetooth settings, tap on connections, then go over to Bluetooth, and you'll find all of your devices here. Now, all you have to do is first unpair the device, tap on the gear icon, then you'll find the option to unpair at the bottom. Just tap on that and unpair the device. Once you have done that, what you also need to do is check if you are in range. So if you are far away from your device, it might not pick up the signals for you to play your audio smoothly. The next step is to reset your Bluetooth settings. Go back, go down and find the General Management tab. From there, you can tap on Reset, and you'll have an option to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Just tap on it. But you have to note that this is going to delete all of your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so that's something you need to keep in mind. It's going to completely reset your Bluetooth settings. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.